Good morning, guys. Today we are going to make a bicycle sound like a motorbike. Please subscribe if you're new down below, and please like the video, guys, to share the love to Papa over here. Now guys, I know you think, how can you make a bicycle sound like a motorbike? Yes guys, it's freaking, you guys are thinking, what the hey? But it works, guys, it works. It freaking works, guys. So we have Matthew over there. Friend in crime. Hello. Hello. Okay, so guys, it's usually a bottle and your bicycle, but see, that's gonna help. I don't know how he's gonna do this. I've done it before. Bottle can be like a Coke bottle, like one of those small ones. Yeah, like a Buddy Coke. And it's Rosa! Never mind. Guys, this is my bike. It's a Mongoose. Pretty, guys, pretty. And you have to stick the bottle in. You have to stick the bottle in on the other side of the chain. And it can't be too big. I mean, this is a bit big. I've never seen this done, but
You just got to squash it a little bit.
no, like Matthew says.
Just push it.
Yeah, guys, freaking amazing. But today, guys, that's what I want to show you. But we plan to make the videos longer, like 5 minutes. So. Matthew, ride for us, man. No, flip the bike over. Okay, we used to flip the bike over. It might take a while, but we'll do it now. Yeah, we're back, guys, and we flipped the bike over. We flipped the bike over, and it's pretty good, guys. Matthew, hit it for us. Ride. Not trying to do the bike because it could break it. Don't sue me if it breaks, guys. I mean, frick, don't be so harsh. Stop, man, stop. And guys, I'm gonna give you a tour of my room now because I want to burn some time. So, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, we're in my room, and look here, into the fortress. First it says no pee, no parents. They're my epic football, my G. They're my epic bed. Yay! My racing car chair.
Freaking cool night.
My computer, a bit small, but hey, it does. Matthew, turn those curtains down for me, man. I'm gonna show you my neon lights. Turn it down. And here is Loxy. Never mind. Hey guys, I'm showing neon lights. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kablamo! That's my lights, guys. Now, I hope you enjoy my tour of my room, guys. I mean, not much to tell, but yeah, there we go. Oh, face. Guys, not much to tell, but not much to tell, but that's my room, guys. Epic room. Let's see, Matthew. Matthew, what do you think we should do now?
Have fun.
What do you mean by have fun? Ooh, guys. I'll make another video next time about pranking Rose, my maid, helper, domestic, what do you want to call it? Please stay tuned for that. There'll be 2 parts in a bit though. But hey, guys, life full of risks. Matthew!
Yeah?
Say some words of encouragement, man.
I'm good.
Oh, there's Roxy.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, I told him this already, Matthew.
Not enough.
Comment down below what we should do to my domestic helper, my Rosa. Because we're going to shoot her with elastics and annoy her, so stay tuned for that, guys. Stay very tuned. Yeah, guys, Matthew's playing with the ball inside, we're not allowed to. And it's our spring break, or in America they call it a summer. It's our summer, guys. Guys, we're going to go back outside and we're going to show you about that bicycle with more. Stay tuned for next time. So guys. Okay, there's a bike, guys. It's flipped over now. But it's loud, it's very, very loud. It's like a monster truck. Hey, Matthew. It starts out small. really loose. So loud! Stay tuned for when we prank Rosa.